What if I told you there are 10 chemical reactions so explosive they could instantly turn an ordinary day into a cinematic disaster? In this video, we're diving into the most fascinating and mind-blowing experiments ever performed. Some are hidden from the public, and a few can even change the course of history. Stick around, because the last reaction will leave you speechless, and you won't want to miss number 1. At number 10, we have the classic Diet Coke and Mentos explosion. While it's not technically a chemical reaction, the violent geyser of soda can shoot over 30 feet high in seconds. Cafeteria floors everywhere have learned, never mix a sleeve of Mentos with a 2-liter bottle unless you're filming. But the next reactions can get a lot more dangerous and messier too. Coming in at number 9, elephant toothpaste might look like a magician's trick, but it's an actual catalytic decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, with volumes of foam erupting in seconds. In 2019, an experiment in Michigan produced enough foam to fill a pickup truck, instantly flooding the driveway. The heat released can even burn bare skin, so this isn't just for laughs. Number 8 is the sodium and water explosion. Just a gram of sodium tossed into a pond produces a crackling fireball as hydrogen gas ignites. In 1986, a group of students in Germany triggered a brief flaming cloud that left a crater in the schoolyard, and a story their science teacher never forgot. At number 7, the thermite reaction turns ordinary metal into rivers of molten iron. This chemistry demo gets so hot, over 2,500 degrees Celsius, that it was used to weld train tracks in Germany as early as 1893. Watching aluminum and iron oxide burst into a blinding cascade, you realize science can outshine fireworks, literally. At number 6, we meet the nitrogen triodide detonation. Touch the dried crystals, and boom, an explosion louder than a shotgun, but sized for a chessboard. In 2014, a science lab in Texas accidentally triggered one with the breeze from an open window, scattering books and shattering silence. This is one prank you'd never want to try at home. Coming in at number 5 is the rain of fire from potassium chlorate and gummy bears. Drop a tiny candy into a test tube of molten potassium chlorate, and the sugar combusts in seconds, unleashing a roaring pillar of flame. In a 2010 viral video, this reaction torched the inside of a chemistry lab, proving even innocent snacks can turn deadly with the wrong ingredients. At number 4 is the infamous flour dust explosion. In 1878, the Washburn Mill in Minneapolis was leveled in seconds when airborne flour particles ignited, killing 18 workers and changing food safety worldwide. It's a stark lesson. Something as harmless as baking flour can be as explosive as gasoline if the conditions are right. Number 3 features ammonium nitrate, the same compound responsible for the devastating 2020 Beirut explosion. Just 2,750 tons stored in a warehouse caused an explosion so powerful it was felt 150 miles away, shattering windows and changing lives in seconds. What they don't tell you is this chemical is still used widely in fertilizer, meaning accidents could happen again. At number 2, we have the legendary nitroglycerin, Alfred Nobel's notorious invention from 1867. Even the smallest drop can explode from a light tap, earning it a ban in early mining towns. Its volatility caused countless accidental deaths during transport, and yet, it led directly to the invention of safer dynamite. Sometimes, human progress is built on a seriously risky foundation. And at number 1, the most explosive chemical reaction ever, the hydrogen bomb fusion reaction. On November 1, 1952, the IV Mike test obliterated part of Inuitak Atoll, releasing energy equivalent to 10 million tons of TNT. The resulting fireball was larger than Mount Everest, and temperatures inside reached 50 million degrees, hotter than the core of the sun. If humanity ever needed a reminder of chemistry's raw power, this is it. Number 2 still gives me chills. The force of that explosion can shatter steel. Which reaction made your jaw drop? Do you think any of these should be banned from regular labs? Tell us in the comments. And don't miss our next revelation. Subscribe now, or you'll miss out on nature's most dangerous elements exposed in action.